How do AI ethics apply to autonomous weapons systems? Imagine a future where machines make life and death decisions on the battlefield. It might sound like science fiction, but autonomous weapons are becoming a real possibility. These systems use artificial intelligence to identify and engage targets without human input. But this raises big questions about morality, responsibility, and legality. AI ethics in autonomous weapons focus on making sure humans stay in control of lethal decisions. When a machine can choose to fire, it's vital that a person remains involved to prevent mistakes. Without human oversight, there's a risk of losing moral responsibility. If a drone mistakenly targets civilians, who is to blame? This creates what is called an accountability gap, where responsibility becomes unclear. International laws say that humans must be accountable for the use of force, but autonomous systems challenge this rule. Another concern is moral deskilling. When soldiers relying too much on machines to make decisions, they might lose their ability to judge right from wrong. This can lead to more civilian casualties or unnecessary suffering because AI systems lack the human understanding of context and proportionality. They can't fully grasp the nuances of warfare, which can lead to ethical lapses. From a legal point of view, autonomous weapons must follow international humanitarian law. This law requires distinguishing between combatants and civilians, avoiding excessive harm, and only using force when necessary. But translating these complex principles into computer code is difficult. AI may not always interpret situations correctly, risking violations of these laws. Proponents argue that autonomous weapons could make military actions more precise and reduce soldier casualties. However, critics worry that the lack of clear accountability and potential for escalation could make conflicts more dangerous. If machines act without proper oversight, conflicts could spiral out of control. To address these issues, many experts emphasize the importance of maintaining meaningful human control. This means humans should always be involved in critical decisions about using lethal force. It's about keeping moral responsibility in human hands, not fully trusting machines. International legal frameworks are still catching up with technology. Some call for new rules that combine ethical standards with legal accountability. These could include strict guidelines on human oversight, transparency in how AI makes decisions, and clear responsibility when harm occurs. In the end, applying AI ethics to autonomous weapons is about ensuring that technology serves humanity's moral and legal standards. It's about making sure that lethal decisions stay under human control, so warfare remains governed by responsibility and morality. This way, we can harness the benefits of emerging technology without losing sight of our ethical commitments.